in continuation to our topic time and work in quantitative aptitude. This is the third part and also a last part. 4 men, seventh question, 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days, while 3 men and 7 women can complete it in 10 days. In how many days will 10 women complete it? So let us start with the solution. Let us consider, let one man require X days to complete the work. Similarly, let us assume one woman require Y days to complete the work. From this, we can say 1 day work of a man will be 1 by X, and 1 day work of a woman will be 1 by Y. Now, what is given? 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days. So that means together their 1 day work will be, so I will say given 4 men's 1 day work, that is 4 by X, plus 6 women's 1 day work, that is 6 by Y, should be 1 by 8. Let us consider that as equation 1. And then let us consider the second one, that is while 3 men and 7 women can complete it in 10 days, which means 3 by X plus 7 by Y should be equal to 1 by 10. Consider this as second equation. Now let us multiply the first equation by 3. Why we are doing? Because 4 into 3 is 12. Here we will be doing it with 4 to convert it into 12. So 1 into 3 will give us 12 by X plus 18 by Y equal to 3 by 8. Let us consider that as third equation. And then second equation will multiply by 4 so that we get 12 by X again plus 7 into 4, 28 by Y is equal to 4 by 10. Consider that as fourth equation. Now, let us do fourth equation minus third equation. 12 by X gets cancelled. 28 by Y minus 18 by Y will become 10 by Y is equal to 4 by 10 minus 3 by 8. So that will give us 10 by Y is equal to, now we'll consider the LCM as 80. 8 into 4, 32. And here it is 3 into 10, 30. We get 20 by 80. 20 by 80 is nothing but 1 by 40. So 10 women, so 1 day work is 1 by 40. This implies that 10 women's 1 day work is 1 by 40, which means that 10 women will complete the work. Sorry, 10 women will complete the work in 40 days. That will be the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. P can complete a work in 12 days, working 8 hours a day. Q can complete the same work in 8 days, working 10 hours a day. If both P and Q work together, working 8 hours a day, in how many days can they complete the work? So what is given is, we will convert everything into hours. P can complete the work in 12 into 8, 96 hours. And then Q can complete the work in 8 into 10, 80 hours. Which means P's 1 hour work, 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 96. Q's 1 hour work is 1 by 80. So together, P plus Q's 1 hour work will be 1 by 96 plus 1 by 80. Let us find out the LCM for 96 and 80. 248, 40, 224, 20, 212, 10, 26, 5, 23, 5. That's all. So we can now say this is equal to, this is 4, 8, sorry, 2 into 2, 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. And then 32 into 15. 33, 48. So 480 is the LCM. So 96 and 480, it is 5 times. This is 6 times. So we get this as 11 by 480. Therefore, P plus Q together will take 480 by 11 hours to complete the work. But the question is asking us to find out in days. Each day has got, they gave us 8 hours a day. Therefore, P plus Q together will take 480, 11 and 8 hours per day. So that means this becomes days to complete the work. This goes with this 60 times. So we get 60 by 11 days. That is 11 5s are 55. 5 by 11 days it will take. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next one. 10 women can complete a work in 7 days and 10 children take 14 days to complete the work. How many days will 5 women and 10 children take to complete the work? So here, based on whatever is given, 10 women can complete a work in 7 days means 1 woman's 1 day work will be 1 divided by 70. Similarly, 1 child's 1 day work will be 1 divided by 140. Means 1 woman plus 1 child's 1 day work will be 1 by 70 plus 1 by 140. So that will give us 40. Or rather, we should, they are asking us that we will find out. Yes, sir, better. So 5 women and 10 children. Let us do that only. 5 women and 10 children 1 day work will be 5 by 70 plus 10 by 140. So LCM is considered to be 140. So 2 5s are 10 plus 10, we get 20 by 140 or 2 by 14 or 1 by 7. That means 5 women and 10 children will complete the work in 7 days. So that is the solution for this question.